Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we fit another Starline i96 Pro Connect, which is a immobilisation through analog immobilisation with call alert should someone jump in without putting the push sequence in or passing authorisation with the phone, i.e. smartphone as a Bluetooth tag. So I'll show you how it works. So basically, thief jumps in, grab the key, start the vehicle up. As soon as I start the vehicle, if you watch carefully, as soon as I select a gear, you'll see that it'll cut out where we're noticed by the battery light coming on. Okay, so if you watch carefully now, slowly, you'll see shortly, we know that the vehicle's under attack because it's actually going to give us a call now. So if you watch carefully, there you go, system is now calling us. Okay, so if we just take that call and end it. So basically every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, start the vehicle up, vehicle starts, pass authorisation by a push sequence. On here we've done something very basic, so 1, 2, 3, obviously getting another call. There you go, system's now disarmed. Now we can select a gear and drive away. So really simple, really straightforward. Also, if the customer wants to change the code, this is very straightforward, and the way you do that, you don't need to start it this time. Main ignition on, pass authorisation by inserting your code, so 1, 2, 3, receive our disarm melody, and then hit one of the buttons on the network 5 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cycle the ignition off, pause and back on, and it will follow with 5 bleeps. So on here we're going to do something very basic. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Wait for a confirmation melody. There you go, and then repeat that new code again. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Wait for the same melody. If we get the same melody as the first authorization code shortly, you'll hear that means the first code is the same as the second. So we'll give it 10 seconds, wait for it to set, and then we'll start the vehicle, insert our code, wait for our melody and select a gear, and you'll see that obviously the vehicle will remain running and we won't get a phone call. So it's about 10 seconds now. Start the vehicle. So we started the vehicle, insert the new code, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Wait for the melody. There you go, select a gear. Vehicle's running, battery light hasn't come on, so we know the vehicle's running. Put it back into park. No phone call, and we've passed authorization. Okay, so now if I leave it 10 seconds and wait for it to set, you'll see shortly the vehicle will immobilize itself if I select a gear. The reason why I've done it this way, a lot of the new cars are coming with remote engine start, so we don't want to lose that feature for the customer. So let's just start the vehicle again. Vehicle's running. Okay, as soon as I select a gear, you'll notice vehicle will cut out, the battery light will come on. There you go. And shortly followed, we will hear the phone. There you go. Phone is now calling us. Let's just end the call. Answer it and end it so it doesn't go to answer phone. So this is how it works. As I said, this is a new Starline i96 Pro Connect with call notification. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. If you want to give me a call, the number to me is 0289060478, 0289060478. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.